Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you the complete tour of Microsoft Sovereign Office that is located in Noida Sector 14. So let's get started. This state-of-the-art workplace blends cutting-edge technology with India's cultural heritage. This office is inspired by the Taj Mahal's architecture. The arched doorways, marble finishes and jali work instantly stand out, giving the space a royal yet modern feel. Fun fact, the Sovereign Office is LEED Platinum certified, using renewable energy and sustainable materials throughout the building. From game rooms and nap pods to wellness rooms, this office is built with employee comfort in mind. Inside work areas, you will find open collaboration zones, ergonomic workstations, and breakout spaces designed to promote productivity and well being. Every floor is themed, adding uniqueness to each space. Now, let's see the complete tour of the office in a fast forward mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such upcoming videos.